All right, a quick little lesson on the harmonic minor scale. The harmonic minor scale is very much like the natural minor scale. It's just got one little tweak to it. It's a very, very simple little change. So let's fill in the blanks here in this gray area. The harmonic minor scale is by far the most commonly used minor scale. Okay, it is the most common form of the minor scale, and I'll show you why in a little bit. It is very similar to the natural minor scale, as I said before, so it is the same as the natural minor scale, except that it has the seventh. The seventh degree, or what's the official term for the seventh note of the scale? Seventh note of any scale is the leading note, that note that comes right before the tonic. Okay, it's raised by 1/2 step. This is the difference. This is what makes a harmonic minor scale harmonic minor. The seventh note is raised by 1/2 step. So in other words, there's an accidental on it. This raised seventh is always written with an accidental, not in the key signature. So we'll write the word accidental, and I'll zoom in so I can get it at least a little bit legible. Accidental. Okay, not in the key signature. This raised note, you don't put it in the key signature. It sits right in front of the note. Okay, the semitones occur between the what and what, and what. There are 3 spots now in a harmonic minor scale where you have half steps. The first 2 spots are just like the natural minor scale, 2, 3. 5, 6, oops, let me draw that a little more legibly, 5, 6. And now since we've taken that 7th note and raised it a half step, we now have also a half step between notes 7 and 8. And you'll see these half steps pop out in these natural minor scales. So the rest of the page certainly is just getting you used to writing minor scales and recognizing minor scales. I'll do the first one with you. It says to add sharps where necessary to raise the leading notes of these scales, turning them from natural minor scales into harmonic minor scales. First point about whenever you have to raise or lower notes, please don't confuse the word raise to mean sharp. It doesn't always mean sharp. If you have a regular note, like a white key on the piano keyboard, and you have to raise it, certainly you'll make it sharp. But if you have a flattened note, like E flat, that needs to get raised a half step, you're not going to make it E sharp, you're going to make it E natural. So a few examples here. You need to add a sharp in this scale right here. And which note gets raised? It's the 7th note. So the 7th note, or the leading tone, right here. What note is it? It's a C. It's a C natural. So we're going to put a sharp sign on it. And it's now a harmonic minor scale. D minor harmonic. Next one. Now these are of course easy. Here we have a B minor scale. Right now it's in its natural form. You have the key signature for D major, but you're going from B to B because B minor is the relative minor of D major. So a B minor scale, it's natural. To make it harmonic, you take the 7th note and raise it a half step. It was A natural, so you make it A sharp. And then the third example, we have a G minor scale with the correct key signature. Take the 7th note. This note is an F natural. In this case, you'll also make it sharp. So these 3 examples happen to have taken a regular note. Raising it means make it sharp. So write the scales on the bottom of the page. Okay, the scale of E harmonic minor in the bass clef, 1 octave ascending. Remember, just like in the previous lesson, take all the little bits, all the little instructions, and write them carefully. Okay, make sure you're following every little instruction. We'll take it up in class. See you in the next lesson.